Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another beautiful Olympiad math problem. And it is given that t times t minus 1 equal 3 and we need to find the value of this mathematical expression. First of all, I'm going to name this one as x equal t to the power 3 plus 1 over t to the power 5 minus t to the power 4 minus t to the power 3 minus t to the power 2 plus 2 times t plus 6. Now, from the given equation t times t minus 1 equal 3, I'm going to expand the bracket now. T times t square minus t equal 3. Then I can rewrite this as t square equal 3 plus t. This is my equation number 1. Then I'm going to multiply both sides by t of this equation. T square times t equal t times 3 plus t. Then t to the power 3 equal 3 times t plus t square. But from the equation 1, t square equal 3 plus 3. I'm going to substitute 3 plus 3 to this equation. 3 times t plus t square equal 3 plus 3. Then t to the power 3 equal 4 times t plus 3. This is my equation number 2. Then I am not going to find the t to the power 4 and t to the power 5. Instead of that, I am going to factorize the given expression. It is x equal t to the power 3 plus 1 over t to the power 5 minus t to the power 4 minus t to the power 3 minus t to the power 2 plus 2 times t plus 6. So now I'm going to factorize this one. Here t to the power 2 is the common factor. I'm going to take out the common factor t square. Then in the bracket we have t to the power 3 minus t to the power 2 minus t minus 1 plus 2 times t plus 6. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, we have found that t to the power 2 and t to the power 3 in term of t. So from equation 1, we have t to the power 2 equal 3 plus 3 and t to the power 3 equal 4 times t plus 3. Now I am going to substitute this t to the power 2 and t to the power 3 into the main expression. Now here we have t to the power 3 is equal to 4t plus 3, 4 times t plus 3 plus 1 over t to the power 2 is equal to 3 plus 3, t to the power 3 is equal to 4t plus 3 minus t square equal minus 3 minus t. Here we have minus t minus 1. And again here 2 is the common factor. I'm going to take out the common factor 2. 3 plus 3. Simplify further. Here we have 4 times t plus 4 over here we have 3 plus t times 4 times t minus t minus t 2 times t plus 3 minus 3 going to be cancelled, and here we have minus 1 plus 2 times t plus 3. Now again 3 plus t is the common factor here, and here 4 is the common factor. I'm going to take out the 4. Here we have t plus 1. In the denominator, if I take out the common factor 3 plus t, here we have 2t minus 1 plus 2. Then again we have 4 times t plus 1 over t plus 3. Here we have 2 times t plus 1. Then 4 times t plus 1. I'm going to expand the bracket here. Then we have 2 times t square plus t plus 6 times t plus 3. Again 4 times t plus 1. Here 2 times. From the equation 1, we know that t square is equal to 3 plus t. And here we have t plus 6 times t equal to 7 times t plus 3. Again 4 times t plus 1. Now I'm going to simplify the denominator. Here we have 2 times 3 equal to 6 plus 2 times t plus 7 times t plus 3. Again 4 times t plus 1. Here 2 times t plus 7 times t, 9 times t plus 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Then 4 times t plus 1. Here 9 is the common factor. I'm going to take out the common factor. Then we have t plus 1. So here t should not be equal to the minus 1. Then t plus 1 is divided by t plus 1. So that our final answer is 4 over 9. So guys, if you have got any different method, please make a comment and let me know. And also, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe.